Why does my furnace smell like burning plastic? It usually means something plastic or dust is touching a hot part, and you should turn the furnace off and check it right away. A furnace can smell odd for a few different reasons, but burning plastic is one smell you should never ignore. Sometimes a new furnace gives off a hot smell for a short time because factory oils or dust are burning off, but that should not smell exactly like melted plastic, and it should fade fast. If the smell starts suddenly, a plastic air filter frame, a loose wire coating, or a toy or bag near the furnace may be heating up too much. Hot air can also make dust smell sharp and fake, which tricks people into thinking something plastic is melting. One thing many people do not know is that the blower motor can overheat and make nearby plastic parts or wire insulation smell burnt before the furnace fully shuts down. Another less obvious cause is a clogged filter, because it makes the furnace work harder and get hotter than normal. If you smell it, turn the system off, look for anything plastic near the vents or unit, and replace the filter if it is dirty. If the smell comes back after that, a technician should inspect the wiring, motor, and heat parts before you use it again. A common mistake is to keep running the furnace and hope the smell goes away, but that can make a small problem worse. Another mistake is thinking all burning smells are the same, because dust smells more like a hot, dusty odor, while plastic smells sharper and more chemical-like. People also miss the filter even though a clogged one can trap heat and lead to overheating, so check it and replace it if it looks dirty. If you hear odd sounds too, shut it down and get it checked, because smell plus noise can mean the motor or blower is struggling. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.